Hello and welcome to MB Tech. Today is day 10 of the 12 days of Docker. And this one, we will be installing Wallos, which is what they consider a subscription type manager to keep track of all your different subscriptions. But in all honesty, I use it for all of my bills so that I have a good view of what's going on, what needs to be done, and what can be continued. It is very easy to install. What we will do is we'll log into our normal system that we had set up with Docker. And the first thing we're going to do once we're in the home directory is we're going to change directory into container. From there, we're going to do a make directory, Wallows, change directory into Wallows. Once you're in the directory, you're going to create a nano compose.yaml compose file. And as you can see, IP address to the left is the IP address that we'll access it from the IP address. And then we're using the Wallows latest. And we'll control X, Y. We'll do our normal commands of the Docker compose up -D. Next, we're going to check the logs. Okay, checking the logs, everything looks like it's good. It's gone through the migrations, and we are sitting pretty good there. And then when you put in the IP address at the port 80.88, and you'll get the registration. When it first comes up, it'll actually ask for your username and password. Fill all that in, and the biggest thing is make sure you select the correct currency, and then click register. After you register, you'll get the screen for username and password. Put in your username and password that you just created and hit log in. Once you are done with that, you are all ready to add your first subscription. So this is real easy to do. So the first thing we're going to do is just say add subscription. Okay, for our first one, I'm just going to do Netflix. What I do like about this, and I wanted to show you this, is that you put in your name, and then here you can say upload logo if you've already got a logo, or you can just do search, and it'll automatically look at your name and do a search for it. So you can select one of these. Like that's the old one, but anyways, we'll go with that. The next thing I want to show you is that you have your payment. It's every month. You can change it to weeks, days, years. Auto renewal, you can automatically renew it, but I usually put it into manual, and then therefore I have a check place to see what bills are due and stuff like that. So I usually select this to manual. Start date, next payment, how you're paying it, and paid by thing. Next thing is there are categories. So there's a selection of categories here. I am just going to put entertainment and then click save. And as you can see, now I've got one subscription. Next thing I would do is I'm going to go in here and change the settings. And I'm going to select the dark theme, and it's successful. So now we are in the dark mode. So here you can see upcoming payments, your budget, your subscriptions that you have. In my production one, I actually have everything in there from my credit cards, to house payments, to everything. That way I can get a good view of where everything is going. One of the things I like the best is the actual statistics. I can go in here and go to statistics, and it'll show you what your averages are and where your money's going and your yearly cost. The other thing I also do like is that you can go to the calendar, and then you can see that on the 7th that's due, so you can schedule your payments with your paychecks and stuff like that. If you would, please like and subscribe. Again, this is Wallos, day 10 of the 12 days of Docker. Hope you enjoyed. If you would, please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day.